Yeah, so I mean, this is my booth, Spinnywhoosh. My name's Scott. I've been running this for about 7 years now, and you know, we come up from Tampa every year just to enjoy the Miata life and, well, sell some stickers. Stickers, hats, shirts, just awesome Miata stuff. And yeah, honestly love doing it. It's been a good time. So, yeah. All right, yeah. This is my 95M. Originally came Merlot and recently wrapped it orange this year. Plan on going back to Merlot because honestly it's the best color Miata ever made. I have it currently supercharged with an MP62 supercharger. Makes about 220 to the wheel, and yeah, honestly it's an absolute blast. You know, come from Florida, you think I'd go turbo and get more power with all of our straight roads, but love coming up here every year, love going on the mountains, and yeah. So I mean, currently in livery, I've got all this nice blue wings over the orange, and yeah, all of my great sponsors I put on every year just to help out small businesses and yeah, network all the Miata people together and show them what's up. I suppose, you know, talking about the car wouldn't be complete without talking about the fastback. This is probably the most that I've been asked about this entire day. Is basically, we got this fastback from Greece. There's a fella named Panos with Hardcore Design that makes these, and this is the Target Top version where the centerpiece comes out and has a hatch, which you'll probably see different from other companies that make this sort of fastback, but absolutely fabulous piece, like really transforms the car into something crazy. Yeah. So yeah, definitely come back, check us out next year. Obviously I have my website available, or find us on Instagram at Spinnywhoosh. Yeah, hope you like what you saw.